Hey everyone, Eli here with the Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this amazing shower curtain. This is like hotel style, so it's got a kind of translucent part here. This actually clips in, as you can see right there, and that allows you to easily disconnect this bottom part for cleaning in the washing machine. And it's nice because it lets in light up here. So in your bathroom, if you have no light in your shower like me, you can go ahead and let in light through this area up here. The nice thing is it does not use those metal hooks at all. You simply go like that and snap it on. So it doesn't make much noise at all when you open and close it. It also just makes things a lot simpler. I really like the style of this thing. It looks super nice, super smooth. It's also got magnets at the bottom, so it connects to your bathtub and stays out of the way when you're trying to take your shower. And when you open it, it folds up super nicely like so. Overall, highly recommended this shower curtain. Thanks for watching.